Hi everyone, let's solve for the six values of k. So I would like you to watch to the end and enjoy the ride, okay? All right. Now the first thing we need to do is to bring this to this side. Yes. So we have k to the power of 6 minus 3 to the power of 6 is equal to 0. Yes, and when most of you will be like k is equal to 3. Yes, of course k is equal to 3 from observation. Now what of the other five values of k? You see why you need to watch the end. All right. Now, note that when you have a to the power of m multiplied by n, okay, this is equal to a to the power of m raised to the power of n, all right, which is equal to a to the power of m times n. Now, having noted this, we can express 6 as 3 times 2. So we write k to the power of 3 multiplied by 2 minus 3 to the power of 3 multiplied by 2 is equal to 0. So they are already in this form. Now let me put them in this form because I want to form difference of two squares. Yeah. So I can now write k to the power of 3 squared minus 3 to the power of 3 squared is equal to 0. Now we have difference of two squares, which states that a to the power of 2 minus b to the power of 2 is equal to a minus b multiplied by a plus b. Okay. All right. Now that simply means that we can express this as k to the power of 3 minus 3 to the power of 3 multiplied by k to the power of 3 plus 3 to the power of 3 is equal to 0. Okay. Now, when you have two brackets multiplying each other and they're equal to 0, it simply means that either of them are equal to 0, is equal to 0, sorry. So you have k to the power of 3 minus 3 to the power of 3 is equal to 0, or k to the power of 3 plus 3 to the power of 3 is equal to 0. Now, here we are going to recall our algebra identity that states that a to the power of 3 minus b to the power of 3 is equal to a minus b multiplied by a squared plus ab plus b squared. Okay, so that simply means that we can rewrite this as k minus 3 multiplied by k squared plus 3k, 3 multiplied by k, so let me not skip anything, plus b squared, that is 3 squared, is equal to 0. So we can now write this as k minus 3 multiplied by k squared plus 3k plus 9 is equal to 0. So we now have two brackets again. So we can say k minus 3 is equal to 0, or k squared plus 3k plus 9 is equal to 0. Now from here we can see the first value of k, which is 3, which is the one you can see by observation. All right. Excuse me. Now when you come to this one, we are going to make use of the quadratic equation formula to bring out the two values of k from here. All right. Now that formula states that from here, first of all, we have a to be 1, that is the coefficient of k squared, b to be 3, coefficient of k, and c to be 9 are constants. Okay. Now the quadratic equation formula states that this k we are looking for should be equal to a, sorry, is going to be equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac, everything divided by 2a. All right. So recall that our a is 1, our b is 3, and our c is 9. So let's substitute into this. So we have that k is equal to minus 3 plus or minus the square root of 3 squared minus 4 multiplied by a, which is 1, multiplied by c, which is 9, right? Everything divided by 2 multiplied by 1. Now we have that k is equal to minus 3 plus or minus square root of 9 minus 36, right? Everything divided by 2. So we have k is equal to minus 3 plus or minus square root of minus 27 divided by 2. Okay, so we can see the second and the third value of our k here, right? So the second value of our k is, so our k is equal to minus 3 plus or minus the square root of 27 can be expressed as minus 1 multiplied by 9 multiplied by 3, okay, divided by 2. So we have that k is equal to minus 3 plus or minus square root of 9 multiplied by square root of 3 multiplied by square root of minus 1 divided by 2. So we have k is equal to minus 3 plus or minus square root of 9 will give us 3, and we have root 3, all right, minus 1, that is I. Square root of minus 1 is I, divided by 2. Therefore, the second and the third value of k is equal to minus 3 plus or minus 3 root 3I divided by 2. So we have gotten the second and the third value of k. Now, let us go back in order to get the fourth and the fifth and the sixth value of k. Now, all those while we've been solving this particular question, this equation. Now, let us go ahead and solve this, okay? K to the power of 3 plus 3 to the power of 3 is equal to 0. So, permit me to use this side, all right? So, we have k to the power of 3 plus 3 to the power of 3 is equal to 0. All right, now we are going to use our excuse me, the algebra identity that states that a to the power of 3 plus b to the power of 3 is equal to a plus b multiplied by a squared minus ab plus b squared, okay. All right, so this is going to be k plus 3 multiplied by k squared minus 3 multiplied by k plus 3 squared, and this is equal to 0. So we have k plus 3 multiplied by k squared minus 3k plus 9 is equal to 0. Now, to solve this, we are going to use the quadratic equation formula. But before that, from here, we can see that k plus 3 is equal to 0, and that k squared minus 3k plus 9 is also equal to 0, okay. So we can see that k is equal to minus 3, and this should be the fourth value of k, right? And also from here, we can see that a is 1, b is minus 3, c is 9, okay? So we are going to use the quadratic equation formula that states that k should give us minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac, everything divided by 2a. So k is going to be minus minus 3 plus or minus square root of minus 3 squared, okay, minus 4ac, 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 9, everything divided by 2 multiplied by 1. All right, have you subscribed to our channel? Please do that. If this is the first time you're tuning in, turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss our amazing videos. We upload videos at least twice daily, so please tune in at your convenience to watch our videos. All right, and please give us a thumbs up if you're actually enjoying the video. Thank you so much. So from here we can see that k is minus minus is plus, so we have plus 3 plus or minus square root of minus 3 squared is 9, minus 4 times 9 is 36, divided by 2. So k is 3 plus or minus square root of minus 27 divided by 2, okay. So we can see that k is equal to 3 plus or minus the square root of minus 1 multiplied by 9 multiplied by 3 divided by 2. So k is equal to 3 plus or minus square root of 9 will give us 3, root 3. Then square root of minus 1 is I, divided by 2. So right here, you can see the fifth and the sixth value of k to be 3 plus or minus 3 root 3I divided by 2. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.